Oh, hi.
Does anyone need to go to the toilet?
No.
Nobody needs to wee?
No.
Nobody needs to poo?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
A few inches later.
Hey boys,
Yeah.
you want the good news or the bad news?
Good news.
Good news is we're on our way.
Oh, what's bad news?
We forgot your pillows. Sorry.
How are we towing, Chad?
Going well. 110 k's, nice and smooth. 2000 k revs, so we're sitting nice for fuel consumption. We're heavy like a brick, so we're doing well. The elect brakes are working great, and yeah, we're good.
So, because today is a travel day and we are motoring through because I want to get to the beach as soon as possible, we often find after lunch everyone's pretty keen to chuck on some iPadage. Currently have the Octonauts going and they just chill out and normally have an afternoon nap, which helps us get through and do another chunk of the drive. So we'll keep going and hopefully we will make it to Julia Creek tonight. Okay, this is the road between Hewarden and Richmond and it is horrendous. I don't know what they were drinking at the pub. Wasn't you? Just check this out, it's seriously insane. Hold on to your hats. Hang on, what's your name?
Lola.
Lola. That's it, end of day one. We stopped about 70 k's east of, oh my god, this road, Julia Creek, in a beautiful little Wikicamps free camp. It's a great spot, you can have a fire. Oh, I apologise about this road. And you've got to be pretty self-sufficient, there's no amenities there. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful spot, the kids always have fun running around there. Bye fire! So we'll pop the link to the Wikicamps spot down below.